Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best rework solder station on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing, before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. YIHUA 853AAA Rework Solder Station. YIHUA 853AAA is a BGA workstation for both lead-free and leaded solders. It can also be used for SMD components and other precision working. With a maximum temperature of 260 degrees Celsius and a precise temperature control, the station offers various hot air blower and soldering iron options while retaining precise temperature control. YIHUA 853AAA contains an integrated 8.5 LCD screen, an LCD controller and a rotary control. It comes with an ergonomic handle and a detachable base. With a built-in power supply and an electrical overload protection function, the station is of high efficiency and working stability. It can be used for rework and repair, SMT and BGA rework, surface mount rework, and so on. Number 4. JCD8206 Rework Solder Station. This is the best choice for SMD and lead soldering station and hot air station. Comes equipped with a changeable soldering tip and hot air nozzle to suit different soldering needs. The SMD solder station is capable of soldering or desoldering component leads of small dimensions and of course is ideal for surface mount desoldering. It is equipped with an LED digital display. The SMD 800W soldering rework station is designed for surface mount soldering and rework. It is also capable of mounting and dismounting components on PCB. Number 3. YIHUA 862BD Plus Rework Solder Station. The YIHUA 862BD Plus soldering station is a great product for both hobbyists and professionals. This product is suitable for electronic rework, cable assembly, SMD and other kinds of product repair. The YIHUA 862BD Plus soldering station is a 720W soldering station with a digital display, adjustable temperature, 5 selectable temperature modes and a long life, high-quality ATC soldering tip. Number 2. Kaisi SUGON T3602 Rework Solder Station. The SUGON T3602 is a very useful and effective soldering rework station which is designed to meet your demands on delicate soldering. It has a built-in large temperature-controlled soldering iron tip that is adjustable at a high temperature of 480-228. It is excellent for SMD, IC and other delicate components such as repair of cell phones, PCB, and solder wires. The temperature of the soldering iron is adjustable at 180-480. It also has a very useful rest table that can hold PCB or other components firmly. SUGON T3602 soldering station is equipped with a full set of accessories for efficient soldering. The 2-section iron is also a unique design in the industry. This is a very good addition to your soldering equipment. Number 1. Lieir IR8500 Rework Solder Station. The Lieir IR8500 Rework Soldering Station is a high-performance digital soldering system designed to provide high-precision, high-efficiency soldering results and is a viable solution for reballing and motherboards, BGA, CSP, IC and PCB rework and repair as well as mobile phone, CPU, and other microelectronic applications. With the capability to heat quickly and precisely, the IR8500 is the go-to solution for high-quality, high-precision rework. If you demand one of the best rework soldering station performance, unique design, and a professional level build, then the Lieir IR8500 Rework Soldering Station is the perfect choice for you. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.